everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know your Coinbase wallet address. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to receive a cryptocurrency from someone using your Coinbase, then remember that every cryptocurrency exchange has its own unique cryptocurrency wallet address. If you want to receive a Bitcoin from someone, you'll need to send them your Bitcoin wallet address in order to get it on your wallet. It's very important to find your Coinbase wallet if you are to receive a cryptocurrency from anyone. So, let me show you how to find your Coinbase wallet address. Simply open up your Coinbase application from your mobile device. You can also do this on your desktop. Once you open up your Coinbase application, make sure that you are logged into it. In order to find your Coinbase wallet address, tap on the Receive button from the main homepage. Now, always be sure to select the right cryptocurrency. Remember that if you send a crypto to the wrong address, then your crypto will be lost. Tap on I understand at the bottom and proceed further. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your QR code displayed and your wallet right beneath the QR code. Now you can select what cryptocurrency you'd like to receive. By default, it is showing me the Bitcoin option. If you tap on that, you'll be able to select more assets from the list. In my case, I would like to receive some Bitcoin, so let me just put it to Bitcoin for now. As you can see that my wallet address has been displayed at the top with a QR code in it. If you'd like to receive a Bitcoin from a certain someone, then this is the wallet address that you'd like to share. Simply copy the wallet address by tapping on copy and share your wallet address to the person that you'd like to receive the Bitcoin from. That is how you'll be able to find your wallet address, whether it be your Bitcoin or any other assets. You can easily receive crypto from your fellow friends, but remember to always share the right wallet address since you don't want to lose your fund. That is how you can easily view your wallet address on Coinbase. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.